समन्वितं श्रीचैतन्यप्रभुं वन्दे नित्यानन्दसहोदितं श्रीनन्दनन्दनं वन्दे राधिका चरणद्वयं गोपीजनसमायुक्तं वृन्दावनमनोहरम् नमः विष्णुपादाय आचार्यसिंहरूपिणे श्रीश्रीमद्भक्तिप्रज्ञान केशविति नामिने अतिमर्तचरित्राय स्वाश्रितानंच पालिने जीवदुःखे सदार्ताय श्रीनाम प्रेमदायिने श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे। सर्वाग्रे मध्य गुरु
because morning was Hindi and yesterday was Hindi.
I first offer my Danvat Pranam to lotus feet of our Gurudevs Nitla Prest Om Vishnupad Ashtotar Sas Bhakti Jivan Janardhan Gosai Maharaj Nitla Prest Om Vishnupad Ashtos Bhakti Vedanta Narayan Gosai Maharaj all Sri Rupano Guru Vargas Vaishnavas and Vaishnavas. We heard Gurudevs also in written, no? Honhar Birwan ke hoth chikne paat. Or another word is like when child sleeping on palkin. What? Cot, like this, no, sewing cot. So that time his feet he can see and his movement can see, or he can understand this child what can do. Means very small time he can realize what he can do, because when he's sleeping in cot, palkin, his movement, body movement, leg, hand, face, eyes can so indicate in future what he can do. And which tree is very nice, means very healthy, then he sleeps very smooth, very nice. So Param Gurudev from birth he can see, no? Ati Marta Charitra. A small baby, one bird, not two, eagle, and putting one suparis, you know, this bark, and from their mother family brought again, no. So from that time, no, then also his Janmapatris, who very scholar, he said his great personality, no. In future he become Acharya. So from small age he know all following rule regulation properly, all culture behavior. Child time, when student life, many students spoil, wrong direction go. He start to wrong, eat, drink, this, that. But he know, if any money getting from mother, because his family, his parents, his father, no, Sarat Chandra Guha Thakur, so rich person, so big, no, land, means he's like many villages, no, lord land, many village under of him, and he was many public, what called parjas, no, citizens, and they take care to that land, or too much tax, too much grains, too much things come, no, so wealthy. And he also learned his high position, sitting government job, no, like magistrate position. So he very busy. And mother sometimes take care to this all land things. And his father, parents from beginning, no, Vaishnava line. This Vijay Krishna Goswami, who is Advait Bansha's line, you can see in Advait Bhatt, there is one photos, one Maharaj sitting, and Baba Maharaj is big dreadlock, That is Vijay Krishna Goswami. Very, very famous personality, no? He was before Jogi, but after heard about this Mahapurush Dharmas, Chaitanya Charitamrita, this whole thing, then he changed this yogas and become big devotees. So his father was disciple of that Vijay Krishna Goswami. So from a small age he go to with father to that assembly, they are hearing Harikathas. And also his two buas, aunties, Saroj Vasni Devi, Priyatama Devi, they are learned ladies. Because bua means father's sisters. So they come Prabhupada's place Mayapur, because that time Bangladesh and Bengal not separate. So in under India. So very close, they come go. So that cause he also sometimes come to Prabhupada's place. And also looking these all things. So in his college life, he was getting money from families because rich, so mother give 10 rupees, 20 rupees for spend what you like. So if you have rich family, then high chance is spoiled, but this all money he no using 1 rupees for his samosa, pakodi, kachori, anything. Because he was eating home, this thing, no outside anything, no any toffee, no any biscuit purchase. From beginning you can see. So this all money collect, and too much money, then he's calling to students saying, I have 100 rupees, you put 50 rupees, you put 20 rupees, and make 500 rupees or 1000 rupees and make one society. And when what need to public, we will serve for them. So this society work for poor people, helpless people. So one old lady is no child, nothing, no one take care of, she got big disease like Haja, cholera. And then this money using for her and take care nicely. On sometime he returned night, later this seva, then one day mother very angry, because mother high family, so she like to follow all rule regulation. My child on 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock come from outside night time. This is not Western culture, no. Like go in party, drink or dance at 2 o'clock come, 3 o'clock come, no, because very strong culture, no. So that means at 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, night time return from outside, means he was some club, some wrong area, some party, some dance, some drink, some this, that. So means he's spoiling, you are out of my control. So mother is like Singhni, like Didi. So think, okay, today when he come, I will nicely treatment to him. So she took one big stick and no sleeping, just outside door sitting. When he come, I see. Because if sleep, then he come and he go sleep, then. So just sitting on door, and Vinod Bihari came. His father gave his name this Vinod. Before his name Jonah, then some also calling him Janardhan. My father liked him Vinod. The same name Prabhupada also using. Vinod is sweet name. So he came 1 o'clock, mother nothing asking, saying, where you was? Very strong, like a stick like this. Where you was, tell me. He's not saying. Mother very angry, then all things said after. Because mother liked to beat, but his body very soft or very like special personality, same time like to beat. Also threatening but no beating. Like Jasoda mother, too much threat to Krishna, but she no beat any stick to Krishna. Because Krishna so soft, too much fear like this, so no like to, but soft word. So he said all these kathas, and then mother's stick dropped. And just catch to her, embracing and saying, I too much thinking about you, just many bad things coming my mind, you doing this, that. But this type child, I could not see feeling, this type child, yourself, any money spent on this, everything, doing some seva, this, it's not small things. So this nature, who can help to another person without any cause, haituki. This type person staying more maya. Because this type nature Bhagavan like. And Bhagavan this type person pull to his side. Some are saying if with Nishtha, one person 6 months you love, no move your mind for 1 second here, there, this person cannot stay more family life. Because this time Nistha, this time love Krishna life. Like Bilva Mangal, no? See, it's too much love to Chintamani. And after he not left, 6 months after, Chintamani abuj, and his immediate Krishna pulled him, saying, this time lover I want. Who no move anywhere, just 1 point. So like this time Nistha in his seva do, then this type personality not stay in Maya. Because this nature, Krishna take to his side, because Krishna like this time nature. Krishna want Nishtha. Anything do with Nishtha. And this thing, honestly do with Nishtha, then this thing Krishna take. But we not doing anything with Nishtha. So 5 minutes this, that 10 minutes this, too much moving. So kehu sadhe ek ang, kehu sadhe bahuvang, Nishtha aile upajay premere tarang. So this thing, Nishtha, from child time, his mind everything transferred to transcendental line. He read Chaitanya Charitamrita, hearing Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam, Vijay Krishna Goswami plays. So in school study there was also in syllabus, no? Syllabus. Chaitanya Charitamrita compulsory can read, because Bengal Chaitanya Charitamrita no so sweet granth, no? So study the Chaitanya Charitamrita. This was one subject, like some subject school is still Bhagavad Gita like this, so they are allowed Chaitanya Charitamrita subject. But who are teaching Chaitanya Charitamrita, he know Vaishnava. But subject is there, and he know Bangla language. So by knowing language not enough to, you can translate to proper meaning of Chaitanya Charitamrita. So by language power he tried to speak Chaitanya Charitamrita, means lecturer of Chaitanya Charitamrita, but he was Mayavadis, like this, no? So he's talking, one Payar came, this Sanatan Goswami, Mahaprabhu saying to Sanatan Goswami Pad, Krishna re Swarup Vichar Suna Sanatan Advai Gyan Tattva Braje Brajendra Nandan. O Sanatan, you heard about Krishna's Swarup Tattvas Vichar. What is Krishna? What is Swarupas? What is Swarup Tattvas? The next line saying Advai Gyan Braje Brajendra Nandan. Advai Gyan Tattva. Krishna is Advai Gyan Tattva. Vadanti Tattva Vidas Tattva Jatkan Advai. And then this master very happy realized, oh look, Mahaprabhu saying Krishna is Advai Gyan Tattva, Krishna's Gyan, Satyam Gyanam Anantam Brahma. Gyan means Nirgun, Nirakar, Nirvises, because Gyan have no any form. Knowledge means knowledge, intelligent, what is form? That's Nirakar, Nirvises, no Swarupas. Then Param Gurudev, no, that time student, or he stand up saying, how can say Krishna have no Swarupas? Because that Gyan, Tattva is not without deity. Because any name coming, then that name have deity. Every name have deity. Saraswati's Gyan, no, but Gyans have deities, Saraswati's. Jamuna, don't think just river. Jamuna means she has deities. Ganga has deities. Every Himalayas, Vindhyachal, all mountain, all anything, any tree, any Ved, Vedanta, Upanishad, Gita, Bhagavad, all have Swarupas. Because when name coming, then Swarupa coming. But that Swarupa is transcendental. That deities, you cannot see your material vision. Bhaktaya mam abhijanati. Krishna is saying, you have to bhaktis, love affection for me, then you can understand nicely about me. Bhaktaya mam abhijanati javan chasmi tattvata. How I look, javan aham jatha bhavo, jad rupa guna karmaka, tathaiva tattva vijnanam astuto madnukya. Gyanam param guhyam jad vijnan samanvitam. Sarahasam tadangam cha girhan kaditam maya. So this param guhya gyan, what is that? I have Swarup. This was Param Gurudev in Vinod Bihari Tattvastakam, this one slok said, Sri Krishna Mithunam Brahma Taktva hi nirgunam hi tat upasate mirsa vigya jatha tusav ghatinam. Radha Krishna, Jugal, Mithun, Krishna is not alone. Sri Krishna Mithunam Brahma. Without Radha, how can see Krishna? So Radha Krishna together. So who no worship to Radha Krishna or just worship to Gyan, worship to Nirakar, Nirvishesh, saying he have no form, nothing, they are hard labor but nothing get result. Like skin
Of rice.
rice, it has and it too much heat for rice, but there's not rice. Then hand become tight, but nothing result come. So you have to accept Radha Krishna Swarup, then you worship. Because that Swarup have many leelas, pastimes. Without form, not leela. Roop then leela, no naam gun roop leela. So they no accept this name, roop, gun, leela, this, that, this cause. They are very dangerous for jivas. Big enemy for jivas. More not dangerous than Raman, Kumbhakaran like this, no, because they own self kill just no, not too much disturb to another people like that. They everywhere telling you are Brahma, you are Brahma, you are Brahma, you are Bhagwan, you are Bhagwan. Then too much problem for that. Put like this, Param Gurudev write this Mayabad Jivnis, no. So from his small age, he this type interest, this type transcendental thing established. Then he came Prabhupada place. Because he read Chaitanya Charitamrita, or not just reading, also realizing. We are read just machine, but no going deep to inside. What is telling? Like Mahaprabhu said to him, no? Brahmand bhramite kon bhagyavan jeev. Guru Krishna prasade paye bhakti lata bij. Mali haya kare sahi bij aropan श्रवण कीर्तन आदि जले करे सिंचन. उपजिया बाड़ी लाता नो बैकुंठ भेदी जाए और गिरजा भेदी जाए. This go to Golok Vrindavan. So when you read this, what is this? Because when Sanatana Goswami is asked Kiyami Kenama this, no, then there's this all instruction giving how Jeev can get auspicious. So saying Jeev has no many lives, here they are moving. Then Sadhu Guru Prasad getting this bhakti latas. In this mood, this service, then he can reach this. The whole procedure then have to follow. So very young age, mother give his all responsibility, take care to this property. This you become landlord, because mother also becoming old. But he left this all power position and came to Mayapur Prabhupada place. And fully surrendered, sheltered to Prabhupada. So his nature beginning, no, because who coming, which area to seva, what your before nature, this way like to seva, this way getting seva. So in nature, no, take care to land, take care to property. So Prabhupada area also, this was one big seva. And who can nicely do some seva, he automatically catching to that seva, going to that way. If some electrician come in temple, he do to electrician. Some photographer come, he do photography. Who what nature, this way do seva. So his was this time nature, no Kshatriya's nature. So Prabhupada first giving him this one title, Kirti Ratnas. Or Kirti Ratna title for Kshatriya's nature. But that means he's no lower than Brahman, no, because any nature is serve to Krishna, like Arjuna's. Krishna saying, what your nature, this way serve. Just remember me, because you cannot become Brahman type because your nature like this, you do like that. But that way also you can come to me. Only one condition, tasmat sarvesu kalesu mamanusmara judacha. Always remember me and fight. So first Prabhupada give him Kirti Ratna, but immediately also give him Updesak, Maha-Updesak. Because this cause, Ananta Vasudeva, they think, oh, because he's Kirti Ratna, he's Kshatriya's nature. Or Kshatriya nature, what no Shastra Siddhanta. So unnecessary, why no reading this all such sandarbhas? He just take care this line, one line he go, this is your proper line. Another line, why going? So they no understand, because they all take care. He's same time no sitting, taking care, same time going to court, same time doing this, that, many seva holder doing. Same time calling to what call this governor and make to visit to Prabhupada. Many person coming to Prabhupada. So he's always busy to this, no, all management. And also when free time they are reading Sat Sandarbha, Chaitanya Charitamrita, these deep books. So they are saying, this person what do? So that means you don't know anything, you heard no? But he also answered to that. Then this person said to Prabhupada, we know this just law, one karmi type, like this, no, we thinking we are more learned, but today he break our teeth. Then Prabhupada immediately, no, he realized, and Prabhupada knows saying, no, he's no only Kirti Ratna, I will give another warning, because Prabhupada no like next time anyone again make to travel for him. So another degree giving, you are Mahama Updesak. So Param Guru, they have 2 degrees, no? Guru, for Prabhupada, mostly everyone giving one degree, some telling Rag, some telling no Updesak, like this, no, but Param Guru, they have 2, like Kirti Ratna and Maha Updesak. Updesak, 2 padis. So his same time, no, all types seva doing. Very hard to understand. What is name? Atul Krishna Bandhopadhyay came. This is Dhanbad somewhere doing railway, and Atul Chandra 2 people, and he also very learned. After he become Bhakti, Sarang Goswami Maharaj. And then Param Guru is sitting on this kathal, no, jackfruit trees underneath, nice table. Because Param Guru does sometimes own hand make table. In home life, he make nice table, nice, what called, kursi chair, decks, this, that. So nice chair, own self arrangement, because there too much wood cut to make. Brahmachari life, no, brahmachari should be expert all art. When Krishna Baldev went to Gurukul, they 64 days, 64 art learning. How make to table, how make to chair, how make this, how repair, how this. When cloth breaking, what to do? No, always go to tailor, 10 rupees spend. So that time, like Pujpati Vikrama Goswami, our own time making on self-treatment, medicine taking, no need to go doctor. So they expert own self. So he's sitting there like this. Also Sridhar Maharaj is saying this scenery. So everyone coming and do pranam to him. And doing here their seva. Or anyone come do pranam. Because everyone know, because we are in Mayapur, mercy of Prabhupada is truth, but also mercy of Vinod Bihari. Because Vinod Bihari no nicely take care, then Muslim or this, that people attack, and no more here, no problem. No more temple, no more land, because he's like very strong. His landlord, if anyone mistake, do no proper tax paying, then one time Vinod Bihari treatment, then next time all 100 people no without asking, saying, yes, I also not 5 years paid. Now I want to give you. 1-2 person catch and hanging tree, and maybe tied by tree, and hunter 2-3 times, like no landlord, and then he's like this. So everyone do pranam. Then Sridhar Maharaj and Bhakti Sarang Goswami Maharaj, Atul Krishna thinking, this is Maharaj, a very nice Maharaj, nice dhoti, nice kurta, nice this. So he asking some people, who is this person? This is Maharaj, this is the in charge, this is the acharya of this person. No, he's servant. Maharaj is inside. Oh, but he's all behaving like saying, yes, he's Vinod Dada. Dada, no, he's the senior of us. So we are begging his mercy. So he came and understood his safe face of Sarang Goswami Atul Krishna. Face is little dry, June month, too hot and thirsty, also like not too much tired. So understand. So immediately, because Prabhupada was ordered, anyone come, any guest proper, take care. So thinking, okay, they are guests. So okay, go take bath in pond. So they went in pond to bath, and 20 minutes, half hour after returning from bath, and then saying, okay, sit. And then hot rice, dal, sabjis, chokhas, and they shocked, saying, how you know we came? Or this is not like long time cook, just in 1.5 hour. So what he did, like same pot, rice pudding, and some cloth dal tied and put inside, and potato put, and potato take out and make a smash, and this dal bring outside on some hot water and putting chalk, and very quickly no dal and chokha and rice ready, hot, and they eat and too satisfied. After that they went to Prabhupada Pranam, Harikathas, Nirdeha Madam Sulam Surdalam, this all heard, Labda Sudulam Bahusam Bhavante, then fully head spinning, and then Sarang Goswami Maharaj that time, no, just from pocket 5 rupees take out. 5 rupees means now like 5 lakhs. No, because 5 rupees too much. That time no one give 5 rupees. No, mostly people give maybe 1 pice, 2 pice, 25 pice means too much. Even 1, 2 pice because
5 rupees enough for 1 month, 4 months.
because this is 1930, no, like 1925, 26, 27, that period in 1926, 27. Even my time, if 5 pice, 10 pice we get, be very happy. Means too much. 1 rupees means you're very rich. At that time 5 rupees. So, oh okay. So very happy on. He said every month I give 5 rupees. They're saying very good, very good. So this type seva coming in mud. Then when Saranga Goswami Maharaj want to in mud, then all brahmachari also say, no Maharaj, no Prabhu, you stay there. They are nicely doing seva. You come here. Then Saranga Goswami said, don't worry. When I come there, then now 5 rupees giving, that time I more do seva. See, after came. So this is mercy of no Param Gurudevs. Many people came and we all are doing bhajan. We all got to Prabhupada. Also, Maharaj, Gurudevs, but mercy to my Gurudevs. He's too much love to Prabhupada. Prabhupada's one was character. Any brahmachari, any Maharaj to come pranam, then Prabhupada folding hand like this and saying Dasu Asmi, Dasu Asmi. They do pranam and he say, I am your servant, I am your servant. Das. So Param Gurudev no like this thing, no, because Prabhupada tell me Dasu Asmi, feel what called
uncomfortable.
Agitation. So he no come to front to pranam because Guru pranam should face, no sastang means face, no back side, like direct. But some situation he no like, then he's hidden way do pranam like this. So anyhow, so he's too affection to Prabhupada, and my Gurudev also know how much Vinoda like to Prabhupada. So when Prabhupada any tithi coming, Vyas Puja, or when my Gurudevs doing Kharagpur tithis, this following Param Gurudevs many times come to Kharagpur. Each other knows. When my Gurudevs go to Mayapur Parikarma with Param Gurudevs, long time, many years. When Prabhupada Samadhi is coming, then Param Gurudevs no like to speak, giving mic to Gurudev. This is my Ichha Gurudev, Bhakti Jivan Jana Goswami. He will speak. They how much love to Prabhupada. No speak to whole word Prabhupada. Papa, Papa, and start to cry. Pabu, Pabu, no Prabhupada. Like this. So they really not ordinary person who have this much love affection for gurus, or who can give everything for Guru, then they go to Guru place. Because they have no any area to go. Because and if Guru accept and he bring to his place, everything no, because their transcendental world, all seva is doing. So today Vinod Manjari in Golok Vrindavans returned in 1968, but we remembering this forever, because this returning one symbol, we remember this day, we also return to there. Any Vaishnavas, they remembering, like Mahaprabhu said, Haridas, this day, who remember, who participate, who dance, who just say Jai, anything, they must get bhaktis. Because Vaishnava came for give to bhaktis. This bhakti forever they distributing. They present or not present, no matter. But this bhakti, this his bhav, his mood, his all ashtak, this Prabhupada, this artis and Mangala Sri Guru Gaura, Mangala Murati, Mangala Sri Radha Krishna Jugala Piriti, Mangala Nisant Lila, Mangala Uday, Mangala Arati Jagu Bhagat Hirday. This mood, how long moon and sun will stay, that long this mood will flow. A very little sentence, just how many lines? 12 lines, 16 lines, but in 16 lines, whole Govind Lila milk, whole Krishna Bhavna milk, whole essence of Shastras, what is Ashtakaliya Leelas, just this Mangala Artis, just think every word, every line, then your bhajan complete. Everything, all no. Mayura Sukadi Sari, Katapika Raja, Mangala Jagare, Sumadhura Dhvani Kare Jata Sakhigan. There are also deep meaning, like this call to sound, the dhvani, like one word but many meaning, many dhvanis. Sakhigan Param Gurudev about that telling. Sumadhura Dhvani Kare Jata Sakhigan. Sakhi means who are birds sitting on branch, they are also Sakhis, they are all Lalita Visakha, they are also singing this everything. So this Mangalas Artis time, this all mood, how is written. So this will stay forever. So Guru Vaishnavas forever giving to mercy, forever distributing this mercy. By his bird, by his mood, they never disappear. It's always like a state. Transcendental things we cannot see, but that is present. So we try to see. How can see? Eyes of Vaishnavas, eyes of Gurudevs. Guruva Arkalabdu Upanishadu Chachusa. Yourself you try to see. No light, what can see? Things is there, but no light. So Guru Vaishnava just giving to light. He is not present, light is here, but still we cannot see light. Then another need, another need. Sometimes people think just Ritvik Parampara, no, like who is the before 4 generation, 3 generation, I think to that, but after who come not, then also problem come. Because this flow coming like that, you have to go in line one by one. Otherwise proper things not coming. This koi another line, another sampradayas, not proper knowledge, no proper gyan. Because there's no root from where came. Middle one person came, no before, no after. Or that person is know everything, or after nothing follow. Only that person book read. Book also hodgepodge. And who are editing, new person editor coming, some cutting, some one thing putting. Then making new things, everything change. Then big problem coming. But our line, our this thing coming from Brahma, this our parampara, Krishna haite, Chaturmukh hai, Krishna Sevanuk, they are all, including to Gurudev, everyone, there are no any missing, no any breaking. Then these proper things coming. Because parampara things, very powerful things. As much they are disturbance, but still flow cannot stop. Because who stay with Gurudev's 1 year, 2 year, 5 year, something understand Gurudev, something understand his time, something is own understanding, something by God brother, something by all know our Guru Paramparas, many charges, many much. So this way this is still condensed, not so much broken. Yes, somewhere can come little what call like Siddhantas little Vasishtha, some telling something like this, some telling something like this, little bit can be up down, but that way not fully disconnect. This any line this type of pending, but should be parampara. If no parampara, then big problem. So many like 6 line and Sikhs and this Muslim Paigambar what call this? What is name? Hazrat Muhammad like this there, like one charges there, but after that parampara no any flow, no before who was or after who was, no head and tail. This is their big problem. They after no proper understand, then they become aggressive. And this aggressive is not no proper. You have to be tirnadapi sunichena tarorapi sahisnuna amanina manden kirtanya sadari. But this time not their lessons. So no proper coming. So our line very soft, very sweet, very nice flow. There is not any person attacking, no any person no smashing. Here is very carefully every person supporting. Every jivas do Krishna bhajan. What is even animals, donkey, monkey, everyone. Sarve bhavantu sukhina, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani passantu ma kachit dukh bhag bhavet. So this line, no, Prabhupada Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj came. This Param Gurudev's did mood, give to everyone. Very softly, very sweetly, very nicely. No violence, no problem. But if follow then, no follow then what? Bolo Param Gurudev ki jai, Tadi Avirbhav Tithi ki jai. So evening time, all Vaishnavas like Padabja Prabhu, Mahamantra Prabhu, Girdhari Prabhu, they after Kirtan, because our section finished, we also Kirpa Katach and this all bhajan did. So evening time short bhajan, 1 to Kirtan and then Kathas, Param Gurudev's will speak. Param Gurudev's glory is unlimited. No, Gurudev write this word called this Kesav Acharya Kesari, this book, so much. Param Gurudev, how much fight this parampara people breaking. No, Sri Brahmadva Gaudiya line, no accepting Sundarana Videvan. The big one problem coming, breaking this flow. Then again is fight. So big no support to our line. This what called Nimarka line. They also attacking, saying Kesav Kasmuri took to Diksha from Mahaprabhu took Diksha from like too much. No, then Param Gurudev writing and saying Nimaditya, Nimbarkas no any acharya, nothing. Because in Shastra telling Nimaditya, where's Nimarka? They become so fire. Court case came. Then lawyer saying don't fight to him. He will lose everything or too much you have to pay money. Then he stopped. This time many wrong things start to speak. So Param Gurudev is like lion. This ko Sarang Goswami was saying Pasand Gajai Kesari. Param Gurudev is like lion of Pasand elephant. So a lion. Like some dharma for religion problem came. Politician no like to dharma thing. They attacking to dharma sadhus.
One communist.
This Jyoti Basu. Jyoti Basu saying why collecting rice, dal, this on feeding, taking to mat on eating or nothing doing. This this is flood give to poor people. So like this, so saying where flood, your secret is still no finished, still is not there fire. So this politician just cheating the people, no enjoying oneself. So this like many things. बोलो परम गुरुदेव की जय, तदिया तिरुभाव तिथि की जय, स्वरूपान गुरु वर्ग की जय, श्री गौर प्रेमानंदे।